Meet EVS-TrackWeld, the next generation welding robot. Effortless control at your fingertips. With just one touch, TrackWeld powers up and gets ready for action. Whether it's uneven workshop floors or rugged outdoor terrains, the track-driven design ensures smooth and stable movement anywhere. From every perspective, TrackWeld demonstrates exceptional adaptability and strength in motion. Precision in every move. The welding torch operates seamlessly, delivering flawless results. No programming or teaching required. The 3D vision system scans the workpiece autonomously, extracting accurate welding seam data. Watch as TrackWeld seamlessly integrates mobility, intelligence, and welding to tackle real-world challenges with ease. EVS TrackWeld. Intelligent welding anywhere and everywhere. Choose EVS to elevate your welding efficiency today.